Hi, I'm Jeremy Hannigan, and I was hired to tour Japan's Kansai area by train and take photos while a camera crew follows me and shoots me shooting stuff. In this episode, I'll be exploring Osaka City again. On my final day in Osaka, I started off at the Mozu Tombs. This massive mausoleum is home to more than 100 massive tombs. The largest one was built for Emperor Nintoku about 1600 years ago. After checking out the tombs, I decided to finish the trip how I started it, lost in Osaka's city center. Back in the urban center of Osaka, I was looking for a little bit of tradition, and then I found it. This lantern-studded beauty. See, this is why I love Japan. I'm on my way from a noisy neon urban ravine to a Showa period alley filled with retro shops and restaurants, in the middle of a city with a population of 3 million people, and there's this cool Buddhist temple, quietly in the middle of it all. The temple is called Hozenji Temple, and the little alley near it is called Hozenji Yokocho. I highly recommend you visit them both. And then it was time to leave. As I spent those final hours in Osaka, I reflected on my thrilling journey throughout the Kansai region and thought of a famous Japanese proverb that goes, "Virtue is not knowing, but doing." And during these 7 days, I certainly did some things. Thanks for watching, everybody!